What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who are already subscribed, you already know what it is. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. What you can find here are talks about maca root extract to be exact, hair, skin, product reviews, how to grow longer 4C hair, just how to glow the heck up in general. All right, let's get into it. Now, I've spoken about this before because I started this, I want to say it was a week ago or was it a week and a half ago that I've been on this flaxseed and I have been adding it to my shakes. Y'all, I've literally just said, let me step back, because the thing about me is that I get really excited, if y'all haven't noticed, when I try new things. And I said, no, let me keep updating, and at the end of like a 2-week period at least, or 3, and especially after a month, I can give a solid review. But let me tell you something. One thing I can say is that flaxseed does indeed work in helping with the skin. Flaxseed does indeed work with helping with the hair and minimizing belly fat. Now, which is better to use, the seeds or the oil? Anything that you're going to consume, period, is going to give you the highest benefit, in my humble opinion. You are what you eat. And so we have to try to eat as healthy as possible, especially as you age. This is Indian flaxseed oil, authentic, cold pressed, right from India. And the good thing about flaxseed oil is that it is good for so many things, but specifically for, like I said, hair growth, regrowing the edges. This alone, you all, massaging this into your temples, I would say a few times a week. You don't have to do it every day. You're going to see results with this. It actually really does work. Watch videos on it, read on it, and you will see. I actually got this from the 99-cent store. And because I'd been seeing so much about flaxseed, I said, you know what, let me actually see what this is all about. It's gluten-free. It's by Carrington, which I've used their olive oil before on several occasions actually. So I said, wait a minute, the 99-cent store has flaxseed? Let's see what this is about. This is how much I have left of it. When this is done, I will probably get, you know, some flaxseed from, like I said, the Indian store or somewhere like an African shop, what have you, just to see if there is a difference, which I feel like there probably is going to be a big difference. But I can only imagine that if you're getting something straight up from Africa or India, that it's that much better. We'll see. This is Good Grains brand by Carrington, and it really has done something. Now here's the trick. If you massage flaxseed oil alone into your temples or into your glutes, into the buttocks, for example, if you're trying to enhance that area, and you can actually apply this anywhere that you are trying to enhance curves, this alone will do justice. This, if you're consuming it, I feel alone will also do you justice. But when you combine the two, listen y'all, think about it. You're directly applying this onto your skin. Straight up flaxseed oil. You're directly consuming this. And what you want to do, actually, with this, you don't want to have it whole. You get the best benefits when the flax seeds are ground, which is why I put it in my shakes. On the instructions, it does say put it on your salads and whatnot. But again, I would say ground it first before you put it on salads, oatmeal, what have you. Just blend it up in your shakes. It's the easiest thing to do, and you will see results. Gaining weight, you want to get healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, and foods that are high in omega-3. But the great thing about this is that it also, like I said, busts belly fat. I can't believe all the things that I've been trying, just how great these natural products are. And I realize that there sometimes is no need to go and get highly expensive products when all you need is the natural ones. And I have found that oftentimes when I go and I buy these expensive products, they're not right for me, not right for my skin. Whereas I delve into the natural and I'm fine. And I don't know why that was even a phenomenon, because my family's from Jamaica. If you know anything about Jamaican products and African products, we use a lot of natural things anyway from thyme. And those things literally have you glowing up. I'm talking about natural things for cleaning, you know, just different old school things that people are just now saying, oh, do this, do that have been around for years, for centuries. So that is it in a nutshell. If you combine the two and you put this in your shakes and whatnot, and then you use this on massage oil, you will reap the benefits. And like I said, this is great on its own, but when you mix it with other things such as olive oil and other oils that I will get into and other things, you really will see great results. Things do take time though. These aren't things that happen overnight. So to reap the full benefits and to see full benefits, I say give things 30 to 45 days. This is natural. This is not cipralactin. This is not cipralactin. This is not epidamine. The cyproheptadine is the main ingredient in both of those things. And you already know how I feel about that product after doing my research, after experiencing things myself. Realize, hey, you know what? It's just not the way to go when you have these natural things that will have you glowing up. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you feel so inclined, please do like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll holla.